Welcome once again. Let's talk about TERRA Classic price analysis for today. Price update. Now, over 424 billion, 434 million, 378,600 LUNC tokens is being traded in the past 24 hours. Almost 425 billion coins of TERRA Classic is being traded in the past 24 hours. Well, and this is about almost $52 million worth of TERRA Classic being traded in the past 24 hours. The truth is, this number is very small for a coin like TERRA Classic, because TERRA Classic have really lost a lot, okay? And right now, you see sometimes TERRA Classic daily volume of coins hits over 1 trillion. And sometimes you see them hitting over 200 million to 300 million dollars worth of TERRA Classic being traded in 24 hours. So TERRA Classic has been hit with a great fall in price and market cap. But I think right now the only thing that will save TERRA Classic majorly is BTC. Bitcoin crashed again after hitting $25,000, $26,000 back to 19. You see, so many coins went down with BTC. So that's why people always say that BTC controls every other crypto coins. Today, BTC have started recovering gradually, and even TERRA Classic started yesterday, started recovering back gradually again. So I believe if BTC hit back at $25,000, TERRA Classic will be hitting back also. And not just that TERRA Classic, what is affecting them, they have a major issues. No, whatever is affecting TERRA Classic is also affecting so many crypto coins. But I believe that this coin is still going to rise. So with over 425 billion coins of TERRA Classic being traded in a day, I hope that before the end of this month, this number will triple. I want to see TERRA Classic being traded with over 1.3 trillion coins being traded on TERRA Classic. You know why? Because this will help the burning of TERRA Classic to increase. This will help because when the 1.2% tax bond is being charged, definitely will be burning higher. Binance are controlling about 32 right now, 33% of TERRA Classic daily volume. So whether you're buying, whether you're selling, they will charge 1.2%, which will be bond. So I believe that this will also help TERRA Classic to burn more coins if we can get a higher trading volume, a higher coins being traded on a single day. Please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification, and do not miss our next video. Once again, thank you for stopping by.